Seeing these mountains when I lift my head, this is just amazing. So I was getting ready to go out and take some photos, and I was trying to get ready my trusty Canon A1, and this small thing came out of it. This thing is a part of the winding mechanism. Show you a bit closer. Yeah, this. It came out and the camera is just no longer usable. So we are putting the Canon to rest, I guess. In the meantime, I'll use the Sony. Well, day 2 of Burhaniye, and we are going to the beach again, but this time different beach. And also my beard is gone. The wife likes this way much better, so what am I to say? Seeing these mountains when I lift my head, this is just amazing. I feel so happy. That is my life. Well, today was our last day here, and tomorrow we'll take a plane and go back to Istanbul. But before we leave, I just want to take one last photo of the sea. Well, I've been coming here for almost 30 years, and each and every year I miss this place so much more. I wanted to photograph this place as raw as possible. I hope you liked them, and I hope I did a good job. So see you next time.